Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ahoufe Darocha is back in the building. Sorry about that. I'm just so excited to be back on YouTube. I have missed you guys so much. I've missed being on here so much. I know you haven't been seeing much of me. I had a baby last year and that took all of my time. I've got 3 kids now. So yeah, it's been really challenging, really demanding, but YouTube has always been at the back of my mind. It's like, I have to get back into this. I miss it. This is me. This is what I'm meant to be doing. I need to get back into this. So I'm so glad that I found time to come back and share so much with you guys. So it's lovely, lovely, lovely to be back. And let's get into the video. Today's video is going to be a hair review. So stay tuned guys, enjoy, grab a coffee, and let's get right into it. Okay, so Arabella sent me 3 26 inches of straight Brazilian hair and a 20-inch closure. This hair, guys, is bomb. Like, this is the best hair, one of the best hairs that I've actually used, I've actually worn. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's so silky, soft, luxurious, and yeah, I can't even fault this hair. I mean, the only thing I can say about it was when I got it installed, it did shed quite a bit. I was like, no, what's going on? But then again, what hair doesn't shed? Do you know what I mean? Like, even our own natural hair sheds, so I can't really fault it. The hair is just amazing, and I'm definitely going to be purchasing different textures from this company. Yep, so this is Arabella hair. And the shipping was really fast. It came in within 3 days or so. It was quite quick. I got the hair installed a few weeks ago. With me, I like to wash the hair, I condition it, and I wear it for a bit before I give a review, so that I know how the hair wears. I don't just get the hair and then bam, wear it and then give a review of the hair fresh out the packet. No, I like to wear it a bit and give an honest review. So this is my honest opinion on this hair. I'll leave the details down below in the description box. Please check them out. It's a great purchase. You're not gonna regret it, and the prices are amazing. Like, when my friend got hold of this company and she was like, what? Ahoufe, are you sure like this is the right price? I said yes. They're reasonable, but the hair is quality. The hair is amazing. And yeah, this hair is just giving me life. It's just full of life, darlings. Just look at all this goodness. It's really, 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 really beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. So check this hair out if you're looking for something new, quality. Check out Arabella, guys. And yeah, I don't think that there was anything negative to say about the hair apart from it shedding at the beginning. There's nothing. There was no funny smell either. It smelled like normal weave. There was no funny smell to it. And the only thing I would say is, obviously, the longer you go, the thinner the hair is going to be. So it's not full, but it's full enough for me. If you wanted a bit fuller, you could add in an extra bundle. But this is good enough for me. And yeah. Also, these earrings were sent to me by Honey D Creations. So I'll leave her details down below. You can check her out on Instagram. Her jewelry are amazing. She's got a good collection, guys. And these earrings are just gorgeous. They're not heavy. They're big, but they're not heavy at all. They're so lightweight. So that's a good thing about them as well. So please check her out. I'm just feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hey, I'm feeling myself. Hey, hey. I'm feeling myself. Sorry guys. Yeah, so that's it on my hair review. That's it. Simple, like no long thing. Like, this is just simple. The hair is amazing, guys. Yeah, so just check their hair out. If you've got any questions, any other questions, anything that I haven't mentioned, please feel free to drop me a comment, a question down below, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. And thanks so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and do share this video. And you'll see me very soon. I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.